Hello and welcome to Check My Rack, episode 2. Hello and welcome to the second episode of Check My Rack. Today we will be talking about HK417 GBBRs from VFC. Probably you think that the name Frog Engineering Airsoft comes from some frog toys Kermit, who is present in random places all over the screen throughout my videos. That's completely untrue. Frog Engineering stands for Fantastic, Realistic, Overpowered GBBRs. Therefore, say hello to my little friend. And his pups. Both of these, the 16-inch version and the 20-inch version, they are tapped with HPA. Nice GBBRs. And of course they have Frog Engineering conversion. Similar to HK416, which I already showed in my first video, they have 3D printed magazines. And the interior is of course also 3D printed, and inside there in the magwell you can see the conversion mounted. Last time I said regarding the HK416, I don't really want to make a review of the gun itself because there are plenty of those on YouTube. But for this one I'd actually like to say something because, like, in general, GBBRs they tend to fall apart when you shoot them, and this is partially true also for the real steel firearms. The reason is that there is a lot of recoil and vibration going on, and the screws tend to undo themselves, the pins fall out and so on. So you need to secure all of this. In real firearms, people have issues that, for example, flashlights fall off the rails or whatever, if they don't secure the threads with some Loctite or something. So this one, because of the sheer power of blowback it has, very heavy bolt, is really prone to such issues. So if you plan to get this one, the best would be if you get the new Gen 2. It came out like last year or something. It's hard to get it anywhere outside of Asia, I guess. Maybe in US it's easier. But there are huge improvements done to this gun, and it works much better than the first generation. Actually, both of these are the first generation, but I rebuilt them with almost all the parts from generation 2 to make them run smoothly. Yeah, so I say this to just explain that there is a big chance, if you own this gun, that you will be not able to run it the same way I do or with the same performance, because Gen 1 basically was the first one and it has a lot of flaws, yeah, but they are fixing the Gen 2. Maybe I will make a separate video about this. Coming back to HPA tapping, we have to talk a little about the performance, and one thing you need to remember about, I think I said it also in the previous video, is that the performance is very highly dependent on the type of regulator you use. So the flow that the regulator gives, the refresh rate, the pressure you will set, it will all dictate some conditions for the gun to run better or worse. In my case, I'm using Redline Mini SFR regulator, so all the parameters I will mention for both guns are with the use of that particular regulator. I set it to 120 psi, and I also used Minecraft HRR regulator, but the Redline is just better one, so I prefer that one. Anyway, This particular gun is modeled after G27 rifle of the German army, or if you prefer to call it the airsoft way, the Benghazi edition. 16-inch barrel, RHOP basically. Regarding the performance, it was set to 1.9 joules on 0.48 gram BBs, and it shot 10 rounds per second, which is kind of realistic. Right now I changed the NPAS setting to 2.6 joules. On 1.9 joule this gun was able to shoot at around 90 meters. Right now with 2.6 joules I haven't shot it and set it yet outside, so probably I will make some update about the performance itself. This one, let's call it the sniper version, 20-inch barrel, 120 psi on the red line regulator, as I said. It has maximum power of 5 joules on 0.48 gram BBs, but due to the limitations in the areas I play in, it's set to 2.8 joules on the same BBs. So right now the power is very similar to the G27 I showed you. I'll figure out what the final energy for G27 will be when I'm, let's say, finished with it, but that's not the topic for this video. Regarding this particular gun, right now it's set to 2.8 joules, as I said, and it shoots, well, it shoots very, very far. I'm not sure if I want to say it now, because I plan to record a video where I will show the range and like a proof that it really works the way I say, because I think that if I just say it now, there will be hundreds of comments saying, oh, this guy is full of shit, because nobody will believe that it's possible, basically. So it does not have the full auto, so no rate of fire, due to the limitations in my playing areas. Those magazines are 20 to 40 round capacity. There is a lever inside. You need to take the plate, the bottom plate off. Then you can slide out the insides, and there is a small lever. If you set this to 20, then it will stop you after this if you want, let's say, the real capacity, and if you want to go all the way to the maximum, then there is a setting for 40 rounds. Let's take some shots. As I said, 3D printed. Most of my guns are painted, so okay. And as I said, I am using the red line regulator, and I'm using this splitter. Is just to have a pistol and the rifle connected to one regulator, basically. I will make a video of how to build such a thing and post the models also on the internet. So let's connect the gun. Always remember that when you connect the HPA and you don't want the gun to shoot, it has to be on safe. Okay, so the gun is powered up, chamber is clear. We will make a couple of shots without the magazine because the bolt catch will block us, so just a few shots on the semi. So you can see it, or maybe you can't, but it kicks. Okay, so now let's do the magazine. The magazine, of course, is empty, yeah, so it blocked. Again, really nice. This blowback is really strong. Okay, and now let's see how it runs on full auto. So, yeah, let's then do it. Oh, my ears are hurting already. Okay, and the big bad boy, the same, only semi, so this will be quick. Empty magazine, of course. and just a few shots. Without the magazine. Okay, so you see it works. You can see that because of the strength of the sound, Kermit here actually fainted, so we need to stop this. I will now show you how it shoots on chrono, and this will be probably it. So this is my secret chronograph. Bam! Nice. This is the 20-inch sniper version. This is the G27 or Benghazi version. Thank you for watching this episode of Check My Rec. I hope you liked it. There are more videos coming regarding the VFC. These are the two systems I worked on right now, so the next ones will be coming from WE. There are lots of materials I will be posting regarding not only the conversions themselves, but maybe, as you have seen in the other video I uploaded a few weeks ago, there will be a lot of information on how to improve your GBBRs, the issues I encountered when using them or working on them, and the solutions I know and the improvements how to do it. So if you like to learn all of this, then please hit the subscribe button, and of course like my videos, hit the notification bell not to miss anything, and I'll see you in the next episode. Therefore, say hello to my little friend.